So today the students of Pallavan School Jhalawar have made this forum to discuss on the topics which is reflected in the portal of DVC Online Debate Commonwealth Classes Live Debate Education Points. The debate points which has been given is value of education, what subject do you wish you could study in your school, and how important is education to you and other young people. So we have here a few groups. These groups will introduce themselves and they will themselves tell you the extract of the debate which they have done in their class. So they are actually representing their class. For one particular period they had been writing about these topics. Now they have come with the extract of the topic and that they will be sharing with us. Sir, can you please tell me from which class you are and who is the group leader here?
We are from class 6 and I am the group leader of this group.
Which topic have you chosen?
What is the value of education?
Okay, what do you think is the value of education for you?
Education is the very important role in our life. We get success or we are educated and we are not educated, we are not success in our life and we are not getting jobs and like many things.
Very good. So what is your name?
My name is Mukul Sharma.
Mukul Sharma. Very good. I think we should clap for him. This group maybe? Alright. Can you tell me which group is this, which class is this, and who is the group leader and which topic have you chosen?
I am the group leader of this group and I am from class 9 and I am from Pallavan School and I have chosen the point what is the value of education.
Okay.
The value of education is very much, it cannot be defined. As we know, India is a developing country and if we want to be developed India, then we have to understand the importance of education.
Okay. So what exactly is the importance of education?
If we want to get success in our life, we have to understand the value of education.
Why?
Because it is very important.
Can you give me an example by giving a difference between an educated person and not an educated person?
If we go in a shop, then shopkeeper can cheat us. But if we know education, we know maths, then he can't cheat us.
Very good. So nice example. So to fight corruption and to not get cheated, we need to be educated, isn't it? So to bring lots of peace in the world, we need education. We need education to fight corruption and to check that we are not getting cheated and somebody else is not cheating us, isn't it? Should we not clap for him? Alright, now next group is?
I am a group leader of this group. I am a group leader of this group and we are discuss about the first point. What is the value of education? Education played an important role in a student life as well as any human being life. So there is any slogan also. Education is the key that unlocks the golden door of success. So as my friend Saurabh described that education makes the people to get their success. So we have to educate the people. Education makes the people aware about the corruption. We do not when we are educated, no one can cheat us. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Alright, so maybe this is the next group. Yeah, so which topic have you chosen and which group is this?
This is group of class 10 and we have chosen the first topic, value of education.
Okay. So do you think that the tribal people, those who have their traditional education system, they are not educated as per the modern education system?
Yes, I think this is true. As we have some scientific rules also in our education, there in tribal education they don't know something about science. They don't have exact proofs that they study.
So how do you think that we can bring best out of these two type of education system? Traditional education system, some tribal education system and the modern education system which we have. How can we bring a balance into all this?
I think we should connect these tribal education with our education also so that we can study together and then our country can get success in future.
So do you know about any tribe which you have nearby and they have certain education which is like very rare And if we know the knowledge of what they have, we can improve our medicine system, or maybe engineering system, or maybe calculation system. So do you know any tribe nearby? You know, there are many tribal people around in our country. Like there is one Birhor Janjati in Jharkhand. There is one Tharu Janjati in Rajasthan. Tharu might be knowing. Okay, so they had migrated from Rajasthan and they have settled themselves at Uttarakhand. So there was a history related to that, because of which from Rajasthan they went to Uttarakhand and they settled as tribal. They are very good in handcraft. They can make good baskets out of waste products. They can make rope using polythene. They make good recycling devices. Okay, so they are also educated, but they are not educated the way we are educated. We are educated in a formal way, but they are educated in a traditional way. So we need to bring a balance between traditional method of education and modern method of education, because there is best practices in both of the system of education. So what is your view related to this? Which group you are from, and what is your view related to this?
So we are from 12th group, 12th class group, and for what you have just said now, I want to say that education itself have a big meaning, because by the education we can bring development in our country as well as in ourselves also. If we are developed, then we can make our country develop, and we can remove discrimination which is normal in our country.
Very good, a point. Social discrimination can be removed. So if education is the religion,
yes,
if education becomes a religion, then we will have different religion based on different type of educations we have undergone. And no education teaches us to become bad human being, not even religion. So social discrimination can be done away with if we are all properly educated.
Yeah. And one more thing, education makes us broad-minded, because if we think a lot about ourselves and others, then only we can bring a change to our community, to our society, to our country, to make itself a better. Not like those people, as you just told us, some jatis are there, those are not in proper education system. We are getting education in a proper way, but we actually want to give them also, and we should suggest them to communicate with us and others.
Okay, so we have a group moderator with us, Sir Siddharth. So he is a faculty of English as well as sciences, and I would like to know his view and what he feels about what students think about education nowadays.
Education plays a very great role and vital role in the life of the education, as we know that the child is the future of their country. So if they are educated, they can bring peace, they can bring lots of job opportunities, they can train the society, they can be good civilized people in their country.
Okay, very good. So now we have got enough inputs and ideas to speak about value of education. So apart from eradicating social discrimination, apart from fighting with corruption, what are the different other things, like, you know, fighting for job we can do with the tool education? Can education as a tool be used to do social work? What does this group think?
That my topic is the value of education. Firstly, I want to say education is the weapon, and if education we do anything, we get respect from everywhere. We get success, achievements in our life from everywhere. If we can't educate it, we can't do anything. People can cheat with us, and if we are educated, people can't cheat with us because we are intelligent. So I would like to say that education is the more important weapon in student life, and that students have education, students do anything because the student have a future of our country. Thank you.
So how can you use this education in your society? How can you develop your society through your education?
Through education we develop our society. If in rural areas, we all know that education is being a main purpose to rural people. In rural areas no schools are there, so we spread the education in most rural areas too, that students will educated in the rural areas.
Thank you for sharing your views.
Thank you.
And one more group we have left over here. So who is the, you please stand up.
I'm the
And
group leader of this group, and I am sharing the topic is value of education in our life. So it is much important in our life that we are educated. Students are the future of our country, and we can bring peace and harmony if we are educated. Education is the weapon that we can bring the not educated people educated, and if we are educated, we can educate the not poor people, and we can do everything in our life if we are educated.
any changes you would like to make in the education system?
No, sir.
Okay.
Alright, so so far we have only spoken to the group leaders. Now again I will come back to the first group we have talked. What your group members think? Anybody would like to speak something about the value of education? Or would you like to pick up any other topic and speak? Any other topic? See, we have got 3 topics here. One is value of education, then which subject do you wish you could study in your school, and how important is education to you and other young people. So we have covered topics 1 and 3 in our discussion. What do you think that subjects should be studied in our school? Which subjects could be studied? We have a number of subjects, right? We have got languages, we have got science, we have got computers, we have got sports, maths, arts, fine arts, work education. What else do you think should be there in our education in the school?
We are education in the schools. We get lots of things in the school, and we learn.
No. What subjects do you wish that could be added more?
Art and craft.
Art and craft, is it there? Yes, it is.
Because I am like.
No, art and craft is already there in the school. Whatever is not there and you want that school should add it. Is there any topic? Do you think everything is covered?
Yes.
Or you would like to learn something which is not being taught in the school? Okay, do you think that there is something which can be taught in the school and we are not teaching? Any idea? No? Alright, think on it. We'll go to the senior students. They might be having some idea. Is there any topic which is not, anything which is not taught in the school and you would like to add that as a subject?
There are many languages in our India.
Okay.
So I think that our school have to teach us each and every language.
Very good. So you would like to add some local languages like Haroti?
No, sir.
Okay, Haroti is a common language here. Okay, and it is not much popular. Maybe we can make that popular also. Maybe we can translate a few books into Haroti. So this contribution can be done. Little bit of research work can be added. Research based subject. No? Okay, what else? What does this group think that any new subject which could be added? See, members can also speak. It's not that only the group leader will speak.
We can add, I don't think so. We should add any subject for make our education more better, because I think my school have all the subject which is necessary for us, or it is important in our life, because if we are educated, we are getting success, or we can achieve our goals by education, or other people can also get success from it.
Very good. So you think that all the basic subjects and important subjects are added on, and whatever additional will be required to be learned, that can be learned by informal methods using online tools or books. Which group is going to share about this? Yes.
We have to add a life skill subject to our school, because if we have to do something in our life, we have to know the skills of our life.
Alright, so he is saying that we should add life skill education in our school, and it is very much there. Okay, life skill is a very important part, and we do not have formal classes for that, but you will find that in every question paper you get a value based question wherein you apply some life skills, and whenever you fail to apply proper life skill, at the time teacher gives you counseling that what you should have done to cope up with a problem. So what are the different life skills? Do you have any idea? What are the different life skills? Okay, what are life skills? Life skills are the skills which helps us to live properly. It can be communication skill, it can be coping skill, it can be reading skill, listening skill, writing skills. Okay, what else? Okay, behavioral skills, interpersonal skills. These are called as interpersonal skills. Convincing skills. Alright. Public speaking skills. So what skill do you think is developing due to this activity which we are doing? Which skill is developing? Public speaking, debating, critical thinking, analytical thinking, rebuttal, facing rebuttal. What else?
Interaction skills.
Interactive skills. What else? Cooperative learning skills. See, we all are learning by discussion, not by making notes. Isn't it? So is this a good method of learning? So learning skills is also being learned?
Yes, sir.
So are we learning life skills in our school? By incorporating various methods? So sometimes we are not conscious that we are learning something, but we are learning it through various activities. Isn't it? Alright, so is there any other group or any group member would like to share any of the points? Yes.
Education apart from bookish language, if we are reading book, we will not be able to remember that for a long time, but if we are doing practical, we will be able to remember to our whole life.
Okay. So he wants to bring a change. He wants to say that lots of practical methods of teaching and learning should be there. That is what we were saying, that research oriented learning, isn't it? So that is good. Where do you get laboratory to do research work? Where do you get laboratory to do research work? Schools? Where else? Where else? Workshops? Garages? Where else? Hospitals? Colleges? Training centers? Now tell me, in which laboratory Wright brothers invented aeroplane?
In their shop.
Nothing.
In their shop.
They just did it on the field, on the ground. So wherever you think, you can think science, wherever you can apply science, there it becomes a laboratory. Here it is a language lab now. Here it is a think tank now. We are thinking, we are discussing. Basically what this room is meant for. What is this room?
Discussion.
Formally this room is appointed for
Activities.
maths lab. But what we are making use of it? We are making use of it to interact. So it has become a language lab now. Is your kitchen a laboratory?
Yes.
You get vinegar, acetic acid. You get turmeric, acid-base indicator. Base indicator rather. Right? The lichens which grow here and there, they act as indicators. The colors which you get from the flower, they can act as acid indicators. What else? Sodium bicarbonate. Soda. Cooking soda. Soda ash. Detergent. Linear alkyl benzene sulfonate. Detergent. Sodium salt of fatty acid. Soap. You yourself is a set of chemical, carbohydrate, mineral, vitamin, protein, calcium phosphate. Isn't it? So do we require laboratory to do any practical all the time? So where is laboratory? Wherever we can work. Where can we work? Where our hand and brain can be put together. Where can our hand and brain can be put together? Everywhere. And that is how we can value education and we can have the effect of or the outcome of or the profit of or the benefit of value of education. Education has a value. Just like gold has a value, diamond has a value. Similarly, education has a value. So when you get educated, then value gets added on to you. You become a doctor. You become an engineer. You become an orator. you become a motivational speaker, you become a teacher, you become a writer, and that is how you add value to yourself. Just like when you wear any ornament, you are adding value or not? Sir, how many finger rings do you have? 10. Are you wearing? Are you wearing the finger rings? Show me. No. Who is wearing a finger ring? Okay. Who is wearing a gold earring? Gold earring. Okay. Who are not wearing gold earring? Okay. So at any time, those who are wearing gold ring can give me money in the form of gold, isn't it? So they have values. Those who are not having gold ring, they may not be able to give me gold. Similarly, those who are educated can contribute. They can always pay by giving ideas, giving knowledge, by serving them in an educated manner. Isn't it? Getting me or not? So when you serve humanity, you are doing some job. So what are the different ways of serving humanity? What are the different ways of serving humanity? How do you serve humanity?
You can help others.
Okay.
By helping them.
Okay.
Social work.
So how does it get quantified? How much help you are doing to others? How can you quantify how much help you are doing to others?
It cannot be quantified because we are helping them and much many more times.
If you help somebody professionally, it gets quantified. Because better service you give, better payment you get. And more payment you get, more value you are adding. To whom? To yourself and to the country. Your per capita income accumulates together. Your services contribute to the national income. Isn't it? Say for example, I am a doctor and he is also a doctor. And patients goes to him, patient does not come to me. I am not able to treat them well. He is able to treat them well. Who will become richer? He will become richer. So you can quantify how much of good service he is giving. So that is the value of education.
Yeah, that's the value of education. Just because of education, he is getting much money or much other things.
So he is getting quantified?
Yeah, he is.
Just like how much you are studying, how well you are studying, you are getting quantified by the marks you get.
Yeah.
And how much good service you can give to humanity, that will be quantified by the money and the fame you earn. And that is the value of education. How much do you invest for the gold you are wearing, gold ring you are wearing? How much do you invest? 5,000, 10,000 maybe?
Yeah.
Similarly, are you not investing for your education?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
To get what?
Education.
Value of education.
Yes.
You don't understand the value. Once you become a journalist, once you become a surgeon, once you become a policeman, once you become engineer, once you become a teacher, once you become a scientist, you are adding value to yourself by adding education. And whatever service you are giving to humanity in the form of doctor, in the form of being a nurse, in the form of being a teacher, in the form of becoming a journalist, you are serving humanity only. You are serving human being. Isn't it? So, these are the ways in which you can serve humanity by adding the value of education in you by undergoing education. So, hence we all conclude that education is a valuable tool. We can fight corruption with education. With education we can do social service. With education we can do our personal development. With education we can increase national income. Do you all agree with it?
Yes, sir.
So I want one point from each one of you. What is the value of education now? Any one point. Tell me one point about value of education, please.
We get a success in our life and we are trying to get our best trying to get best in our life because we are not
So you can do best in your life because nobody will be able to cheat you, isn't it? So you can defend yourself from being cheated and you become successful in your job. Very good. This group, any one value of education.
If we know the education, we will be aware of our fundamental rights.
Very good. Fundamental rights. He will be able to know his fundamental rights and claim them. Okay. What does this group think about one particular value of education? Give me one value of education. Yes.
If we are educated, so we get our aim of life or success. By educated, we don't cheat. We get not cheated by other people's.
We get fame, we get money, we don't get cheated, and we don't cheat others also. If we are truly educated. Very good. What does this group think about value of education?
Education is very valuable in our life. By education, we can bring peace and harmony in our country and develop our country. We can achieve our goal in our life that we want to achieve, and we can be able to bring peace in our country and develop our country.
Very good. So to bring peace and harmony, education is required. What does this group think? Quickly.
That education is not only about studies, it also learns ourselves with how to respect with elders.
Mutual respect for each other. Very good. What does this group think about education? Any one point, quickly.
Sir, the discrimination, I think equality will be there if we will educate ourselves, because discrimination to the lower caste people is too much in India. So that's why I think we should educate ourselves.
Social discrimination can be fought. Very good. What does this group think?
If we are educated, then we will be a good human resource for our country and increase our national income.
Very good. We can increase our national income by being very good human resources. Thank you everyone for being with us and making this program successful. I hope that you have understood the value of education and you will proliferate these ideas among your teammates in the class. And thanks to all your batchmates in the class, those who have given you these beautiful ideas to represent the classes and the school. Thank you everyone. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir.